You. Today I'll be sharing with you how you can easily get keywords from tests. Okay, and why this topic is very important is that it enables you to actually know exactly the keyword you are lighting for, the keyword you are ranking for, what your competitors are doing. So the first thing first is that you go over to Google. In this case, you can visit any website. Let's visit a website called oborobot.com. So we review their article and we use one of the article as an example. Okay, so as it's loading, um, all we need to do is to go to their blog section because what we're actually trying to find out is an article. Okay, so we can pick any article from the article that you see on this particular website. So all you need to do is to click anyone. So I actually want to know that in this article, what exactly is the keyword that they wrote this article for? What keyword are they ranking? You understand? Are they ranking for? Because this is very important. Imagine that you went to the internet and you saw a particular, you do a keyword research, but you don't know how to actually incorporate that keyword in your article or in your text. If you're a workplace or a website owner, you see that using used, you might not understand it proper. So that is where a tool, we are going to use a tool. So what we are going to do, this is some website called Robot has a tool, okay, called word counter. So for us to be able to use this tool, let us go to open this tab and go to another tab. Okay, now the tool is called word counter. This particular search tab is at the front, but if you don't want to select from this tool, this is the tool here. You can come to this tab and search for the tool called word counter. Okay, now what is the benefit of knowing keywords? When you want to rank on Google, you rank with a particular keyword, that is easy to rank. So we're not going to go to detail concerning how to find your keyword or blah blah blah. So all I want to do here is to tell you how you can actually rank or light for a keyword. Like, how do you know that this is a keyword you are lighting for? you know and I will teach you how to use this to actually maximize your earnings, maximize your articles, make rank your articles based on a particular focus keyword. So this is the tool called word counter. Now this is the way the tool appear. As a guest, you have up to 2,000 words at a time, which is very huge. Okay, so now all you need to do is that this is a sample blog post that we are going to actually look at. So when you check the title of the post, it says why you should use WordPress automatic plugin, import blog content automatically. So all I need to do is to come here and copy this post. Okay, I want to copy everything that is here. It doesn't matter, just copy everything that you see so that you can see how to use this tool. So you can apply this tool in anything you want to do or in any format you want. But at least it's good for you to know exactly what this tool can do for you. It's a very important tool. Okay, so now you have copied the text. All you need to come here is to click on this text box and right click and select paste. Now after selecting paste, this button called count words, click on it. So it will bring out this analysis for you. So it means that first of all, this to enable you to check the total word count, because this is very important. You have a blog, you want to write for AdSense, you want to be approved by AdSense, and or you want to write for a client, you want to know how many words you have written. So this is how you know. So that means that that particular article you are looking at contain 1,287 words, which is very big. It contains 8,652 article, 2,400 syllables, and 68 sentences. Now, basic word count statistics, the same thing that we read. So reading time is between 6 minutes. If I'm going to speak, talk about the article, it may took me it will take me 13 minutes. Now, when it comes to keyword, this is what we are looking for: top word density. Now, when it comes to keyword, we have one word keyword, we have two word keyword, and we have three word keyword. Now, in our case, it depends on what you want to rank for. Now, example, you can be making a keyword research, and the keyword you want to write for has like one word or two word. Let's say it has a two word. That means that we are going to combine two words. It doesn't matter how you pass it along that particular post. With these two, you should be able to know that, okay, these two keywords that are here, how many percentage of it do I have on this article, and am I actually ranking for it? Let's take for example this particular post. I've not read this post, I don't know what is inside, but through the keyword I can tell you what this post is talking about. Now, this is one word. The first one is WordPress. So that means that that post is talking about WordPress as a keyword, and you know that WordPress keyword is ranking very, very high. So it means that in this keyword I have 51 times that keyword was mentioned, that word WordPress was mentioned 51 times on that post. Now, looking at the percentage, I have 656% of this particular keyword. So the second keyword, so it's good to look at the top three. So the second keyword is post. The third keyword is plugin. That means I'm talking about a particular plugin that has helped me to post in WordPress. So without talking more for that, you should have seen that this article is actually very correct. Author, import. So you have as many keywords as possible, as you can see. As many keywords as possible. But the top ranking one, the top three are WordPress, post, plugin. Now this is for one word keyword. Please listen very attentive. Now we are going for the two word keyword. You now see it is no longer WordPress now that came first. Now in two word, I am seeing auto post, which actually occupy 321% of the article. Automatic plugin, the second one, and WordPress automatic. You see, when people are searching on the internet for WordPress automatic, this post will pop up because you are actually ranking third, okay, for WordPress automatic. When you talk about somebody say auto post or something like auto posting, you may be number one because you have almost 321% of this keyword. It was mentioned 25 times altogether as a two-word keyword. Now, the same thing with automatic plugin. That is what you are actually ranking for. You understand? So WordPress automatic is also what you are ranking for. Now, and the more other keywords, but this is the top three that we have here, which is more than 100%. You know, but though it's not good to over stretch keyword, but I just want to show you how rich the density of this keyword in this post that contain 1286 words. Now we also have the three keyword type. That means we are combining three word to make a three keyword. Now maybe when you finish your keyword analysis, your keyword research, anyway, you can as well in this particular website have a keyword research tool, which you can also use to actually spy on your competitors. But that is not for this particular video. So now the three word keyword will actually help you to combine three words. Let's click on it and see. That means that three word keyword most at times actually tell you the title or give you a detailed explanation of the article or actually what this article is talking about. So let's look at the three word keyword. It's a WordPress automatic plugin, which is true. So this article is more of WordPress automatic plugin. Let's go back to the article. Let's look at the title. Remember, we didn't copy the title. You see, WordPress automatic plugin. That means that whatever in this title, I'm like this particular post is ranking for WordPress automatic plugin as number one. Okay. Now the second one is plugin auto post. So if you're looking for a plugin that can auto post for you, it means that this article is for you. Then WordPress plugin auto or anything automatic plugin that belongs to WordPress. So this is where you get it. So you can pick maybe the first one, the second one. So depending, when you check the one word, the two word, and the three word, you see they are connected. Okay. So this is how you know in a test the percentage of keyword you are ranking for, because writing an article without knowing exact keyword you are ranking for is just very useless. But when you know what you are ranking for, you should be able to be careful to put it strategically, put those keywords strategically on your in your post so that you can rank better. So and that is all you needed to do here. So in the case that the ranking is not